Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into a hatchback that's redefining what a practical, stylish, and tech-savvy car can be in 2026. This is the all-new Toyota Glanza, and trust me, it's not just a facelift. It's a total transformation. Toyota has given the Glanza a bolder, more aggressive design language. The front fascia is sharper, more confident, and unmistakably premium for a hatchback. The new LED DRLs blend seamlessly into a gloss black grille that makes this compact car look like it belongs in a much higher segment. It's got clean lines, a lowered stance, and fresh alloy designs that elevate its street presence. From the side, the proportions are spot on, not too long, not too bulky. Just right for both urban agility and highway comfort. Step inside, and this is where the Glanza really starts flexing. Toyota has updated the cabin with a modern, almost futuristic approach. There's a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system now, running wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's smooth, like flagship sedan smooth. The steering wheel is new, sporty, and houses controls that feel satisfying to use. The digital instrument cluster adds a layer of sophistication, while ambient lighting and soft touch materials across the dash give it a surprisingly plush feel. The seats are more supportive, ergonomically designed, and yes, they're ventilated up front in the top variant. For a hatchback, that's an absolute win. In the back, there's plenty of legroom and headroom for adults, with rear AC vents and charging ports to keep everyone comfortable. Toyota's really focused on making this a family-friendly premium hatch, not just a commuter. Under the hood, the Glanza 2026 continues with Toyota's reliable 1.2-liter dual VVTi petrol engine, but now it's been fine-tuned for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. It delivers around 89 horsepower and 113 Newton-meters of torque, which might not sound like a lot, but with the lightweight chassis and refined tuning, it offers a very balanced drive. You get the option of a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic, and here's the kicker, the CVT in this car doesn't feel like the rubber band experience of old. It's quick to respond, especially in city traffic, and doesn't drone under hard acceleration. Toyota's done their homework here. City driving is where the Glanza shines. The steering is light, the visibility is excellent, and the ride quality, easily one of the best in its class. The suspension setup has been refined for Indian roads, meaning it soaks up bumps without that harsh thud you often get in hatchbacks. Take it out on the highway, and it feels planted, confident, and surprisingly quiet inside. In terms of safety, Toyota's gone all in. You get 6 airbags in the top trim, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, electronic stability control, and a high-strength body structure that meets the latest global crash norms. The Glanza is no longer just about affordability, it's about assurance. And then there's the tech. The new Glanza supports Toyota's connected car platform with remote AC start, geofencing, real-time vehicle diagnostics, and more. You can even control some features through voice commands. It may be compact, but it's definitely smart. Now, let's talk value. The Glanza 2026 starts at a price that undercuts many of its rivals, yet it offers features that push the segment forward. Whether you're a young professional looking for a daily driver, or a small family seeking a safe and stylish hatchback, the Glanza delivers on all fronts. So, who is the Toyota Glanza 2026 for? It's for those who want the reliability of Toyota, the flair of something modern, and the peace of mind of advanced safety and tech, all in a package that doesn't break the bank. It's a hatchback that dares to think bigger. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If this video helped you see the Glanza in a new light, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think of Toyota's latest hatchback in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and behind-the-wheel impressions of the world's most exciting cars. Catch you in the next one.